In today's video, we are going to see how to create WordPress website using Elementor plugin. If you are new to Elementor, Elementor is a WordPress website builder plugin. Welcome to my channel. I am Nandini. I help self-made CEOs to establish sophisticated and elegant website presence. So let us jump into the video.
So let us see how to create a beautiful WordPress website using Elementor plugin. What we will cover in this video: how to use templates, blocks and elements in Elementor, how to change fonts, colors and background images, how to add buttons, hyperlinks, social icons and forms to your site. In order to create a website using Elementor, install Elementor plugin to your dashboard and activate it. Use page option to start creating your standalone pages you want to add to your website. Once you select new page option, it will take you to its default editor. But you should name the page and choose edit with Elementor option to start using Elementor dashboard. Once you are taken to Elementor dashboard, you can start building your brand new page. First, I am going to show you what you can find on Files menu. You can find templates and block elements you can use to create your design. If you choose Pages option, it will show you full page template you need to install and edit it to your style, which is the easiest option, although most of the templates are available for premium users. Second is blocks, which is kind of sections you want to use on your page. You can search for a particular section. I am going to choose a hero section. Yes, this looks cool to me. So let us install it. Once you install a particular section, you can find 3 icons on the top. If you choose mid-mode menu icon, you can customize that section. If you choose the plus icon, you can add a section to top of it. If you choose the delete icon, you can delete this section. To customize the section, you can use the sidebar, which contains options like layout, style and advanced. First, I am going to change the background image. For that, I am going to choose style option. I am going to click on the image option, which will take me to media library. You can upload an image from your computer or select the image from your media collection. As I have already uploaded the image, I am going to insert it into the section. Now you can see that the image has been inserted. Now we can edit the content area. Now I am typing the brand name as Ease Glamour. You can also add a logo if you want. Write your website copy beforehand so that you can copy paste your content, which would save the time. Now I am going to style the fonts. It is great if you already have your branding fonts and colors at hand. Style option is used to change fonts, colors, background images and button styling. Now I made the desired changes to my fonts. Now let us add the next section. For that also I am going to choose a block section. Now I am choosing call to action block. As we did before, we are going to customize this section. As my subheading is in uppercase, I am going to use typeform option to change from uppercase to lowercase. I am also changing the font color by choosing color picker option. Now I am going to add a button to this section below the subheading. For that, I am selecting bento menu on the top sidebar, which shows me element option from which we can drag and drop our desired element. I am dragging and dropping the button element below the subheading. Now I am using layout option and giving my button center alignment. I then edit the title and style my button. I change the background for my button now. Now I am going to design my next section. This time I am going to choose pages option and install my desired page. I am deleting the logo mark on the top by right clicking on that particular element and choosing delete option. You can always add or delete any element on your chosen template. First, I am changing the background image and then I edit the title. You can see that unlike each individual section on blocks, this has a complete page. But what's interesting about this is you can still have option to delete or add a block to this page. I don't want this to image section, so I'm deleting it. I'm going to use this section to showcase the products. I'm replacing these images with Ace Glamour products. They sell cosmetics. Next, I'm naming the products in the captions area. You may also add description or price ranges to the catalog. I'm also changing the numbers as we removed the previous section. I'm also deleting this section, but I'm going to leave this footer section so that we can use it at the end. Now let us change the background color for this particular section. As I already told you, we should use style option to change background color. I'm going to choose background overlay option to add background color to this section. When I choose color option, it shows me two color palette option to design. If you want to make it fancy, probably you can use dual colors, but I'm going to use only single color to this section. Yes, there we go. Actually, my chosen color and my section color is not same because I already have done some customization to the website where I have selected a different color as default color for website. So if you undergo problems like this, disable the settings so that it looks fine. Now I am going to show you how to use elements option to design your page. When you select the plus icon, it will show you different layouts for your section. I am going to choose one column layout because I am going to add heading to it. Now I am dragging and dropping the title element and giving it a center alignment. Now I am editing the title. So this section is to showcase testimonials or client feedback. Now to add the customer reviews, I am going to select two column option. I am dragging and dropping text editor to paste the client review. Use text editor option for editing paragraphs. I am then dragging and dropping title option to write the reviewer's name. Then I style the entire section by changing the fonts and colors. Now you can see that it looks so clean and beautiful. We have created a beautiful section without using any template, and it might have looked much cooler if we have added a background image, but let's keep it like that. Next, we are going to add a contact form to this page. Now I am searching for forms option. I am provided with different kind of forms option. But the point here is mostly these forms are plugins. So you need to install your Decide Forms plugin and activate it so that you can find it on the sidebar when you want to use it on your website. I am going to use WP Forms, which is quite popular forms on WordPress. If we have any forms we have already created, we can choose from the list. But I am not going to select anything here. I am going to create a form by clicking New Form option, which will take us to the WP Forms plugin dashboard. Here we can select a template which may suit our purpose or start from scratch using a blank template. Let me choose simple contact form template as it already has the decide fields like name, email and message fields. I am going to hit save. I will be doing a dedicated video for creating a form where I will deep dive into how to use these elements to build a form from scratch. Keep an eye out for the video. Now let us move on to the setup option. Here you can change the form's name. I am renaming it as Contact Us. Now I am moving to settings section where we need to update the settings. In the general category, we can update the form name, which we have already done. You can also write a description to your form, but for now I am skipping this option. Next, in the notification category, you need to set your email address to which you want this form inquiry to happen if someone is going to fill the form and send it to you. Leave other default settings as it is. Next, I am moving to confirmation category. This is the confirmation page your viewers will see once they fill the form and send you. You can leave a thank you note and tell them that you will be responding to them in 2 or 3 days. Now I am saving it. Once we re-enter our website, you can see the changes we made in the settings and contact form has been inserted to the section. Now I am going to use display option and make the title or form name visible. But as I have not written any description, I am not turning on this option. Now you can see an effective contact us form, but let us style it further. Now I am going to choose the layout option to change the width of the form. You can make it fit into the middle of the section, which looks cool to me. You can also change the background color of the form by choosing background overlay option, which is same as we did for the other sections. Yes, I completely love this look. Once again, I am going to use block option to create my next section. This is a call to action section where I am prompting the visitors to follow me on Instagram. You can write a description on why they should be following your Instagram page. Now you can see that we have a small divider to this section separating title from description. The color doesn't complement the page. When I right click, I can find the navigator menu. I will choose column option to style my divider. Actually, this is a border. You can change the color by choosing color option. Remember that when you create a website, be as creative as possible. Already have an outline in your mind about what you want to add to a particular page. This helps you to write the website copy beforehand. I have already done a video on 8 important pages for your website where I am giving a detailed walkthrough on what kind of section you can cover in that particular page. You can click this card to check it out. Now I am going to style my background, but this time I want to use background image. Now I am going to select an image from a media library. Now you can see that it looks so beautiful. Next I am moving on to the footer section. As we already inserted this section, let us edit it. You need to edit the year plus your brand name. Next you need to edit the social icons. You can choose the icon and add your social handle URL so that once your audience click that icon, they will be directly taken to that page. Always remember to double check your URLs to see if they are working or not when the site is live. Also save your changes now and then so that you won't lose your data. Now I want to add another icon to my list. So I am selecting add item. Now I need to choose the icon from icon library, which has got a lot of icon collection. So I am typing up YouTube to select my preferred icon. Now you can see that YouTube icon is visible on my section. Now as usual, I am styling the section. You can always make any changes to your page and hit publish to make changes effective. Now this is how the website looks when it is live. You can see that the website looks so beautiful. This is how you create a website on WordPress using Elementor. I will be doing a part 2 video where I will be showing the things I have not addressed in this video.
If you have any doubts regarding Elementor plugin, don't forget to ask me on the comment section. I would be too glad to help you out. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe it and hit the notification button to get notified on the upcoming videos.